Hey, this is Emily from Supplyhouse.com, and in this video, we'll talk about Blue Monster PTFE Tape.
Make a professional-grade, reliable seal without using any pipe dope with Blue Monster PTFE Tape. PTFE, or Polytetrafluoroethylene, is a high-performance plastic known for its non-reactivity and high-temperature resistance, allowing it to create a tight, durable seal and withstand a wide range of temperatures and chemical environments. The secret to the tape's strength lies in the manufacturing process. Unlike other tapes, PTFE never needs to be stretched during production, so it maintains more of its integrity, stays thicker, and creates a more effective seal with less tape. Blue Monster pipe thread sealant tape also comes in a variety of colors too for a range of sealing applications. Yellow to keep gas lines secure and leak-free. Silver to prevent seizing and galling in stainless steel threaded connections. Green for a safe seal on oxygen lines, and nickel and copper for firm, long-lasting performance on metal pipes. Get Blue Monster PTFE tape with fast shipping from Supplyhouse.com.
Click here to order yours today, and make sure to subscribe for more product tips, tutorials, and trade-related content.